What's going on, everyone? I'm Nate, and this is
Amanda.
and today, right? Okay, look, real quick update. Yes, we filmed. Have I edited it? No, my bad. It's gonna be kind of weird because, I mean, if you follow me on our Instagram pages, you're gonna see. Oh, wait, she wrapped it a month ago, but the video came out yesterday. So my bad. Um, but here's her Supra. It's looking a little different, right? Got a little addition to it.
Sharpie.
Right. So she threw on a carbon lip and splitters. Looks real good. It really commits the whole look. Anyways, today we have an install video once again. She's gonna be throwing on the VRSF
Yes, I think so.
VRSF downpipe on her A90 Supra. She wasn't really liking how the active olive work sounded. Plus, we did have a check engine light when they promised that we wouldn't. So we're kind of like, like, is it defected or did I do something wrong? I don't know. Let's just blame, the company. But we got a new one. This is not catted. Yeah, Catless downpipe going on today. And we're going to get some sound clips once again. So before we get into this install, I need to update you all about my 350Z and my 240 and also the M3 because I feel like we haven't really given a clear standing with all these cars, so let's do that right now. So first up we have my 350Z, right? So I actually have good news on this project. I have an appointment at Hexa Motorsports, Hexa Garage. I'm really happy because that's basically like my plan B. If I can't figure it out, I have until March 28th, like the last week of March, to figure this out. So we are far from done, guys. Check this out. As I just picked up some Jun 272 camshafts for the Z. Now I can't wait to throw those camshafts into this car because, man, that's something I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to open up a motor and cam one of my VQs. And now I have the perfect time to do. Now moving on from the 350Z, let's focus on my 240. Now some good news about my 240 is that it is no longer a storage car. Now the storage car is the Z, but it's fine. We're also going to be starting the body work on this car because, boy, this thing needs body work. So this fender is going bye-bye. We're going to throw on an over fender on this because previous owner, right? Because this, all right, mind you guys, this car has had 9 owners. One of those 9 idiots pulled this fender very terribly. So we're just going to cut it off and just solve the problem just like that. There's also a pretty good dent right here. Feel more on the hood. I'm not sure how good the camera's picking up on it, but it's for sure there, man. You can see it. Lastly, we have the M3. What's going on with her and why haven't we made a video? And you know what to say, simply enough, this car is actually state refed right now. And honestly, I think it's been state ref for a good while. I have to say like half a year, maybe more than half a year. So enough of me yapping around talking about these damn cars that don't really move. Let's focus on the girl that actually moves right now and the girl that really makes both of us happy. I'm going to be installing the downpipe right now. My girl actually left to a consult with her client, so hopefully I knock it out by the time she comes back. We have the intake going on right now. Downpipe's all bolted up. This is an old one. It's for sale. Hit her up, please.
I think we're already selling it.
I think we're already selling it. We have a stock exhaust for sale too.
Yeah, please take that.
Please take that one. Please. Again, I don't know why they made it one piece. I don't know why. Like, was it cheaper or something? Like, why couldn't they just have like chopped it right here, chopped it here, or better yet, make this a Y pipe. I don't know. Toyota, I really don't know. Wow, look at that Tome. Tome license plate with the Tome exhaust. Nice Tome. Huh? What? Say it again.
I think it's gonna be really loud because you can see the difference in the cat.
No meow meow. The other one has a meow.
Yes, I guess so. It's definitely a little louder.
God damn. There's no meow meow in there. No meow.
I'm waiting. Where's go?
Now we can talk.
Now we can. I think it's definitely a little louder.
Yeah, you feel happy?
Yeah, I think I'll be happy when I drive it because I think that's when I'll feel the difference.
Okay, why are you spinning tire?
We spent a lot of time.
Oh, that's a cop. Okay.
I think they might be U-turning.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay.
We
Yeah,
went sideways.
we
bro.
did. I don't know if he's coming or not.
I don't know and I'm scared. I don't need another curse state rest.
I know. We just got this one.
I just put the downpipe in.
You know, earlier in the video, I was talking about how your M3 was say ref twice.
Yeah. I mean, hey, look. At least when you're in comfort mode, it's pretty quiet. It's like really good.
You think so?
Yeah. Look. Can you hear anything? No.
Oh, you're right.
No pops. Nothing. It's like a. Just turn that off. Oh. Farted. Oh. That was crazy. I didn't expect it to do that much because the active auto work cat, I pushed it, but I didn't spin that much. Like,
There's a huge difference, and I can tell just from sitting in the passenger seat. So imagine being on the pedal, right? Fuck!
we were spinning already too.
Fuck, were we?
Yes, we didn't grip on second.
God! Damn!
That was already 110.
Already?
Yeah, and I didn't even do a second gear pull close skid. That was third gear.
So, this Catless downpipe really woke up the car even more than the Catlin one. We thought the Catlin one was fast, but this Catless one just took it to a whole new level, really. Like, I'm not exaggerating anything, like, I was very impressed.
Me too. I'm scared.
What did you just say?
I said I think it's kind of louder because when I'm just driving, it's just annoying. It's like a little bit annoying. You just shut up.